Hello, my name is Dennis and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking behind the scenes as I study for my CompTIA Security Plus certification. Whether you're considering this exam or you're just curious about my process, stay tuned for tips, resources, and strategies that I'm using while as I prepare for my exam. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel as this helps me create more content like this. Let's dive in. Let's talk tips. Tips that I'm using for this exam, I just have one simple one: consistency. Staying consistent helps you with not just only finishing out the study guides that you're using, but also allow you to retain informations by just staying consistent with it. Reading in day out, have a study plan. Maybe you read in the morning, you read later at night, whatever works for you. But that is the one and only tip that I have for you as you prepare for this exam. Let's talk resources and strategies. The one resource that I use to get me into Security Plus is the Google certificates. I started up with the Google certificates, which is typically a 6 month course, but you can finish in less than 3 to 4 months, realistically. It gives you a background intro into what you're about to step into in cybersecurity. Also, another resource that I use is the Security Plus textbook. I bought that on Amazon. Another resource that I use is the Security Plus certification textbook, or what we call study guide. It is a textbook or study guide that comprises of everything that is on the Security Plus exam and breaks everything down into different forms that you can read, understand, and even I have 10 simple practice questions. The one that I use and I recommend is the Neil Security Plus certification textbook. I started this book, I would say, beginning of December, and recording this video today is the 21st, and I only have about 2 chapters left before I step into another resource that I'm using, which is the Udemy Security Plus practice exams. It comprises of 6 to 7 practice exams that I use and take in, day out, that helps me prepare myself for questions that I meet on the exam, just in case I have something on there that doesn't catch me off guard or catch me by surprise. And also another resource that I use while studying for my CompTIA Security Plus certification is the Udemy practice exams. This practice exam consists of 6 practice exams with 90 questions each, and you can take it multiple times. And also, scrolling down to the bottom, you will see there are not just only one type of practice exams, but there are multiple types of practice exams that gives you advanced knowledge and practice style questions of what to expect when you're taking the real exam. Another resource that I use is flashcards. Flashcards are wonderful when you're trying to memorize key terms and terminologies, such as acronyms or certain minutes to certain things when you're studying for your Security Plus exam as well. Also, do not forget to also have an accountability partner, as somebody that is there to not just hold you accountable, but to guide you through the process just in case you do have questions or you struggle with certain parts and aspects of the Security Plus textbook when you're studying.